Nice lead. There's that knock here, one more. Now on the finish line. The high serve for 3-1. Nice hit right to the top line. Now ball. That's the first error. Coming to 2-9 now. For this match. Nice outside serve. From number 28. Give your point to this match. Number 32.
Ayaw lang o, ayaw lang o.
Ayun again.
May washer kayo rin.
So the number 17 for the Buccaneers. That's it. Support. Out and out ball. Another point forward. It's Monster. Who about the 28 this Monster? We're the weak point. I like it. Now look at it again, 4 all. Flying back. Good chance to this Monster. Now number 8 serving for this Monster. Another reply to the outside. That's now ball. Now on to the line. Number 8. Takes a look. So they can walk charging around. Number 8. Here the host.